Here's how you put together your IGLOO party bar. We're going to start by attaching the wheels. Go ahead and line up the holes on the bracket of the wheels with the holes at the bottom of the tray. Insert the screws through each hole, and on the opposite side, place the washer and nut to secure into place. If you have a wrench handy, use it to hold the nut in place and tighten with a screwdriver. Repeat this process for the remaining wheels. Now it's time to attach the bottle cap receptacle. Identify the 4 impressions on the front side of your cooler. The mount for the receptacle attaches on the 2 bottom impressions. Line up the screws with the impressions and begin screwing into place. Once secure, slide on the receptacle. Now you can go ahead and attach the bottle opener. Again, line up the holes on the bottle opener with the impressions and screw into place. Go ahead and place the party bar cooler in the tray. Lift the lid of your party bar and insert your dividers. You are now ready to entertain any event with your messaging with your IGLOO party bar.